Hello viewers, welcome to IT for Learners channel. Today we will learn how to install a Linux in a machine. First we will create a virtual machine on EXI server, that is for my lab environment. Then we will install CentOS 7.x on that virtual machine. So let's begin. So let's create a virtual machine first. Create virtual machine. Give it a name, test01. Select Linux. Then select I'll be using CentOS version 7, so select 7. Next, select the data store that where we'll be installing the vmdk file. So I'm going to give it 2 vCPUs and then 3 gig of RAM for the VM. Keep the hard drives 16 gig default, and then add the DVD. I'll be using the ISO version, so select that ISO. That's it. Next and finish. So let's power on the virtual machine. Okay, so install CentOS 7. So the pre-installation process started. Okay, welcome to CentOS 7. Keep the language and keyboard as is. Press continue. Okay, look for the date and time. Select the time zone. Keep it as the New York. Done. Then for the installation destination, select the hard drive that we just created on the virtual machine and let the system create the partitioning as is. So there is another option that you can do it and manually, but for this installation we will keep default, everything default. Done. Then software selection, what we need to install it, we will use minimum install. We have another option that we can do to create a web server, infrastructure, virtualization, so we can add anything we want to do that. But for this installation we will use minimum install. Networking host, enable it and then configure. Select IP version 4 settings. Here we have multiple options. Either we can use the DHCP if we have DHCP in the network, or the another way is to assign the manual IP address. For this installation we will use manual IP address. Give it a mask 24-bit, then gateway. Okay, give it a DNS that we will using 888 and IPv6. Give it no, we don't need IPv6 at this moment. Save. Okay, and then give it a host name. Test01. Apply and done. Now begin installation. Okay, here we are required to give it the root password, so give it some strong password. Confirm the password. Okay, done. Seems like the password does not match. No. We can also create another user that we can use to log into this machine. Name it the user, make it as administrators, give it a password. Okay, done. So it takes some time to install the libraries and the application. So I'm going to pause this video for a moment. Okay, so the installation process has been completed. Now we reboot the machine. Machine has been rebooted. Let's connect to machine. Okay, type the IP address that we gave it to the virtual machine. Click yes. We use the user ID and password that we created using the installation. Test01 and give it a password. Oops. Okay, so we are inside the virtual machine. Let's do some testing. Okay, we have internet access on the virtual machine. Now do some more tests. Check the partition size. So it has all the partitions created that we use. Checks the Linux version. This is CentOS Linux release 7.5, build number 1804. The kernel version is 3.10. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.